Hi guys, hope you're all doing well and welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs trade analysis and trade setup video. Before we begin the video, please don't forget, as always, to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I will pin a link to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates, as well as a link to our website where you can check out the results of our premium signal service. So this is the second one of these videos I've done. My idea behind it was not just to show you the trades we take and why we take them, but hopefully to give everyone some education on the setups and how to identify potential trades and risk analysis as well. So today I've decided we're going to look at 3 trades from last week. Last week was an incredible week. We made some huge gains, some excellent trades. There was only one trade that didn't work out as well. So I want to cover that as well, because I think it's important we understand that as traders, we aren't going to have a 100% win rate 100% of the time. It's how we minimize and how we deal with those losses and trades that don't follow the setup. It's how we deal with those losses that really define us and create successful traders. When the profits obviously far outweigh those losses. So the first trade I want to look at is Bitcoin, and this was a limit entry, a limit order that we set up, and this was on the 4th of January. So this area here, we can see we had this big green candle where this one here where the price pumped. In doing so, we created a 4-hour demand zone. So what we did, we gave a limit order once this had been confirmed for a retest of this area. And this was quite a really clean setup. So not only was we looking for a retest of the demand, but we would have dollar cost average down to the weekly open area. And we can see this played out absolutely perfect. After quite a few candles, it didn't actually fill for a couple of days. It wicked into our entry area, and demand was confirmed because it bounced straight from that area and hit our take profit targets for a really nice move there. The second trade, and this is one that didn't work out quite so well, this was on CRV, and this was more of a market entry rather than a limit order. And here we are looking at the 30-minute time frame, and we were looking at this descending channel, because often they can break to the upside, and we was looking for a tap of support, and we gave the entry in this area here because we saw immediately that it tapped it on the lower time frame. We saw good strength and the price rebounded, so we took the entry here, looking for a move back up to test the upper part of the channel. Now we started to get a nice move. And then it came back down. So our second bid, or my second bid for this was filled. So I had a slightly lower average entry than the first entry. But what I did, this started to move up again from them. We got some a nice bit of profit here. But coming to the end of the evening, I decided to set my stop loss to break even. So that overnight, when I couldn't monitor the trade, I didn't want to be stopped out. So I set my stop loss to break even, and I was stopped out literally by the tiniest amount. It was right on my level. This did actually move up as it was and hit TP1 here. But we can see that actually that was resistance. And this time when the price moved down in this channel, it broke below and actually went to stop loss. So disappointing in a way that it hit TP1 whilst I was asleep, but no losses. I got stop break even. So, some may have hit profit, others would have been stop break even. But as I said, the importance is when the trade isn't playing out quite how you planned, and it looks like you're not going to hit those bigger targets, a break even trade is no loss. It doesn't affect your account. The third trade I want to look at is this one on Kava. And this one was looking at the 1 hour time frame, and we can see this white line I've marked here was clear resistance a number of times. He then broke above this with quite a lot of strength, and in doing so we created a 1 hour demand here. So what I was looking for was a retest of this area. And it took sort of 12 to 14 hours to fill, and we can see perfectly on the retest of the previous resistance and the 1 hour demand, we got the perfect bounce. It was a really perfect entry, and within a few hours it moved right up and hit all of our take profit targets. Hope you found this video useful, guys, and gives you an idea of a few of the different types of setups we're taking, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.